Welcome to my YouTube channel, House Plan to the Drawing. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to design, not actually how to design actually, but how to set up your working drawings to look something like this, all in black and white, just in Archicad. Okay, this is just changing the properties of this, the properties of the windows, the properties of the door, and also your lines, elevations, sections, and dimensions. Okay, so without any further ado, let's just get right into the business. I'm going to be opening a new project here. Okay, I already have it opened here, so I have this document set up already. So your document may be looking something like this. What you just have to do for it to just change it is that you want to just come to the wall tool here, click on the wall tool, press Ctrl A on your keyboard. Okay, I want you to come to this side here, to the icon here, just click here, and I want you to come and make sure you are selecting this airspace frame. Okay, make sure that yours is in airspace frame like mine. Okay, it's very important you guys do that. Okay, if it's in generic, or maybe it's in just generic right here, if you press escape, you might be having, maybe this is your initial look. Okay, so what I want you to do is to just, when you click on the wall to here, press Ctrl E on your keyboard, click this and scroll on your mouse wheel and just look for airspace frame. You can just come and search it in this search bar. So you just click on the airspace frame and it changes it to a white look like this. Okay, so this is just the first process to go about it. Now still make sure that this wall is still being selected, press Ctrl A again, and I'm just going to go to the settings dialog, click on the settings dialog here and scroll on your mouse wheel here under floor plans and sections. So don't make sure you select this floor plans and section. I want you to just scroll here and I want you to come and select under this cut surfaces. I want you to come and select this background here. So select the background, click this icon here and change it into this black color or any other color of your choice. So I'm just going to select this first black color and just click on OK on the keyboard, and automatically it's going to set up the working drawings to look black and white. Okay, so this one is the first way to go about it. What other way you can go about it if you don't want the black color, if you want maybe another different color, what you can do is you just press Ctrl A again, click on the settings dialog, scroll on your mouse wheel, click this and come and select maybe like a blue color and click on OK, press escape, and it's going to have that same look. Okay, so all you just have to do is you just click this, press Ctrl A, click on the settings dialog, and you want to come to this place here. Make sure that you're selecting the background here. So you select this and you can change it to whatever color you want to use. Okay, I'm just going to stick with black for now, and I'm going to click on OK. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to change the doors and the windows. So for it to change that, what you just have to do is just click on the door tool, press Ctrl A on your keyboard, click on the settings dialog here, and you want to look for floor plans and section, click this. Now the next thing to do is under symbol and outline, just click this override object pen, click this. As you click this, click on this color right here, this symbol line pen, click this and change it into a dark color, and you see that your preview here, it changes into the black color. Okay, so you can click on OK, and automatically if you press escape, you will notice that all the doors in this plan changes into black and white. Okay, you want to do the same thing for the window too. Click on the window here, window icon, press Ctrl A on your keyboard, click on the settings dialog. Now come to floor plan and section, then I want you to come and under symbol and outline, I want you to come and take the override object pen, click this and change it into this dark color, then click on OK on your keyboard, press escape to see what you're doing, and you can notice that all the drawings in the other doors in these floor plans are in black and white. Okay, you can do the same thing for the stairs. Click this, I'm going to hold on shift and also click this one too. Okay, now remember that these are the stairs here. I'm going to click on the settings dialog now, and I'm just going to come to floor plans and display. Okay, so once I do that, I'm going to come under the symbol here, I'm going to click the override object pen, click this and let's select the dark color, then click on OK on the keyboard, press escape, and you should have something as excellent as this. Okay, now the railing also, click the railing, hold on shift, click this one also. If you have any other railing in the floor plans, you can just hold on shift, click this also. Alright, so that's pretty much all the railings that we have in the floor plan. So I'm going to click on the settings dialog now, and I'm going to look for under the floor plan symbol overrides. Okay, floor plan symbol overrides, click this, and under the symbol here you want to come to override object paint. You want to click this icon here and change it to the dark color and click on OK. Alright, press escape on your keyboard and you notice that all the railings in the floor plan changes into black and white. Okay, so this is how I came about all that. It can be changed to any other color of your choice. It all depends on what you want the drawing to actually look like. Okay, now for the dimensions, so what you want to do is you just come under document section here, you click on the dimension tool, press Ctrl A on your keyboard, click on the settings dialog here, and want to come and click this, change this one into this dark color, click this, change one into this dark color, click this also, change one into this dark color. Remember that this one is the dimension type. Okay, so if you click on the dimension type, you change this, you come to the text style, you also change this. Okay, now you also look for any other one like this. So you want to change, click this and also change this, click this and change this also. Okay, go to the dimension detail and just, you can leave all this one as it is, it doesn't really matter because we're not working with this, we're not using this. Okay, so this has been set up. This also okay, this one doesn't need, we don't need this one. Click this and this also has been set up, and this also has been set up. So once you are done with this, you want to click on OK on the keyboard, press escape, and they're gonna be having all of the dimensions changed into black and white. Okay, now concerning the sections, okay, you want to come to the viewpoint here, you want to click on the section to press Ctrl E on the keyboard, click on the settings dialog, and you're going to go and set up the sections. You want to come to the marker, as you can see the marker right here. So you want to click this, you want to click on this dark color. Okay, click this also, change this one into the dark color. Like I said, this one changes. Okay, now come to the marker text style, click this and change this one to this dark color. Come to the marker symbol and text. Okay, you can leave this one as it is, we don't need to set it up anymore. So let's click on OK on the keyboard, and that should change into black and white. Okay,
we keep running faster and faster. I don't know what we're after, yeah. We keep up with disaster. I'm thinking that they're after me. We're running like faster and faster. We're running like faster and faster.
so this is where I was able to set up the black and white type drawing. Okay, so just take note of this. Yeah, and I also wanted to note something. Whenever you're doing all of this, you want to make sure that that's for the walls and the windows and the doors. There's a little bit of model appearance that's going to happen in your 3D section. So if you go to your 3D section here, you're going to be seeing the ground floor, because I changed only the ground floor settings. So that, as you can see, I'm having all this look. As you can see, the ground floor looks different from the first floor. Okay, so I want you guys to bear note, take note of that. So because I change everything to dark color, it's also going to affect the 3D model appearance of the drawing. So please kindly take note of that. Okay, it's very important you guys know that, so you guys don't say the drawing looks a little bit messy in the 3D section. Okay, so just bear that in mind. Okay, it's because I didn't change the first floor. Okay, I was only working on the ground floor. As you can see, if I go to the first floor, you see what I'm talking about. This is the first floor. I've not changed this. Okay, so if I go to the ground floor, this one is changed. If I go to the 3D model, it's the same thing as also happening in the 3D model. Okay, so you want to decide that anytime you want to start your project, you set all of this up so that whenever you're doing your drawings, you don't have to go back and kind of be changing them one by one. Okay, so there's a last thing I want to show you guys. If you click on the wall, you press Ctrl A on your keyboard, you click this icon right here, and you look for what we call the masonry block. This one, or this one. Okay, if you see, you click on this masonry block structure, you click this, you will notice that you have the same model fixed all around in your drawing. Okay, and you notice that this isn't a little bit, looks like a brown color or like a yellowish color. Okay, if you want to decide to change this one into a white, all you can do is this. You just want to come to the click on the wall, press Ctrl A on your keyboard, you want to click on the settings dialog and scroll here. You want to click this and click on both. Once you click on both, you click on OK first. Okay, now you go and check how this looks like. You press escape on your keyboard and check how this looks like. As you can see, this changes into a kind of a white slash. Okay, so you want to make sure that you want to come and set this up and make sure that this looks perfect for your drawing. So when you want to export, it looks top notch. So if you want to decide to export this, for instance, you want to click on the market tool. Let's just do a quick export. I'm just going to export it and press Ctrl P on the keyboard. I'm not going to be selecting black and white this time around. I'm just going to be selecting fit to page because all my drawings is in black and white already. So I'm clicking on fit to page. I'm going to click on the page setup and change it into A3. Alright, and click on landscape and click on OK. Okay, so as you can see, it changes into something like this. So I'm going to click on print on the keyboard and I'm just going to look for, let me save it to the desktop. So I'm going to click on the desktop and I'm just going to give it ground floor plan. Alright, so I'm just going to click on save on my keyboard and allow it to load. So once it loads, I'm just going to open a new project. Alright, so this is it right here. I'm just going to double click on it and let's see how it looks like. As you can see, this is how the drawing looks like. Alright, so this is one of the ways to just modify your working drawings, make your working drawings look perfect, okay, in Archicad. Alright, so I'm just going to minimize this. Now concerning the sections, I want to show you guys something in the sections. I'm going to be opening this section 1 right here. Okay, that is this S201. I'm going to double click on it and let's see how it looks like. So as you can see, now remember that I already changed the settings for the ground floor. Okay, so we're not looking at the first floor right now, we're looking at the ground floor. So if you notice, the effect I used also affected the drawings here. Okay, as you can see, it affected the drawings here, so just take note of that. Please take note of that. So if you guys don't want this, you can decide to just go back to the previous look. All right, that's a airspace frame, and without changing the cut fill option, okay, the override option. Okay, so you guys should just bear that in mind. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the ground floor plan and we are done with this tutorial. So this is just a way to just be flexible with working with Archicad. Okay, just be flexible with it and make your drawing look unique and different. All right, thanks for watching. If this video has been of help to you, kindly like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial video. Thank you.